Good morning, students. Myself, Smriti ma'am, and today we are going to continue our second chapter, Desktop Management. For today's class, our first topic is Quick Launch Bar. Quick Launch Bar is located on the taskbar and is a convenient way to open programs. In the last class, we have studied about the taskbar, that it is a toolbar which is situated at the bottom of the desktop. Okay, so Quick Launch Bar is located on the taskbar and it is a very convenient or easy way to open the programs. Okay, when you open a program folder or file, window creates a corresponding button on the taskbar. As you can see in the picture below, Word task button, it is in highlighted, and the Notepad taskbar button is also in highlighted. Okay, so these two programs are active in the computer. Okay, that's why it is in a highlighted. Okay, and the button shows an icon that represents the open program. Okay, so this button is representing that these programs are open in the computer. Our next topic is minimize and restore windows. Now we will learn how to minimize and how to restore the windows. When window is active, its task button is highlighted. Clicking its taskbar button minimize the window. This means that the window disappears from the desktop. In the previous picture, you have seen that the task button is highlighted, means that program is active in the window. But when you will click this highlighted task button, that program window will get minimized. Okay, it doesn't mean that it is stopped, but it just disappears from the desktop and get minimized at the down below at the taskbar. Okay, minimizing does not close or delete contents. Remember that it only temporarily removes the window from the desktop. Okay, it's just disappear for some time. Okay, as you need. Okay, as you want. Okay, next, how to restore that window that you have minimized or which you have disappeared from the screen. How to restore that? To restore the minimized window, make it show again on the desktop. Okay, click its taskbar button again, and when you will click the taskbar button again, then that minimized window will get restored in your desktop. Means you will get back that program window on your screen. Okay. Our next topic is add and remove icons. So here in this topic we will learn how to add and remove icons, program icons on the Quick Launch Bar. Okay, so you can add or remove programs icons on the Quick Launch Bar so that you have easy access to the programs that you frequently use. Okay, so you can add and remove the program icons from the Quick Launch Bar so that you can easily use it. Okay, that you use very commonly. Okay, that programs which you use very commonly and very frequent manner. Okay, so how you will do it? First, to add a program, you have to click the icon of the program and drag it to the Quick Launch Bar with the help of the mouse button. Okay, just you have to drag that program to the Quick Launch Bar and it will get located in that Quick Launch Bar. Okay, next, how to remove it? To remove a program icon, right click the program icon and then click close window. Okay, what you have to do? You have to click that program icon, then right click, then you have to click close window. Then that program icon will be removed from the Quick Launch Bar. Okay. Now we will learn how to change date and time in computer. Okay. To change the date and time on your computer, follow the given steps. First, click the date and time button on the taskbar. Okay. So in the last corner of the taskbar, right hand side bottom of the taskbar, you can see there is a date and time. Okay. When you will click that date and time, there is a pop-up window will appear on your screen as you can see in the picture. Okay. So in second step, in the pop-up window, click the change date and time settings option. Okay. You can see in the picture, in that pop-up window at the down, you will see one setting option is given. Okay. You have to click that options to change the date and time. Third step, the date and time dialog box appears. Okay, when you will click that date and time setting option, and another dialog box will appear. You can see in the first picture. Okay. Fourth step, click the change date and time button. Okay. So in that dialog box, you have to click the change date and time button. The date and time settings dialog box will appear. In the second picture, the second dialog box will appear, that is date and time settings dialog box. Okay. Fifth step, for changing the date, do the following. Click the arrow keys present on both sides of the month to move the month forward and backward. Second, click and select the date. Students, you can see in the picture of the date and time settings dialog box, there is one calendar given. Okay. In that calendar, at the top you are having a month with the year. Okay. And there is two arrows given on both the sides of it. Okay. With the help of these two arrows, you can move forward and backward. Okay. To adjust the month. Okay. And the dates which are given below, you can select the date from there. Okay. To fix the date. Clear? With the help of this, you can change the date. Okay. On your computer. Next, we will see how to change the time. Okay, for that, do the following. To change hour, double click the hour and then click the arrows to increase and decrease the value. Now you see there is a picture of a clock. Can you see? Yes. Below that clock, there is the time. Okay. First, we have to click that hour setting. First, you have to change the hour setting. Okay, पहले आपको घंटे की सेटिंग चेंज करनी पड़ेगी. For that you have to click the hour. Then there is a arrow given, increase and decrease. Okay, with the help of that arrow you can increase and decrease the value of the hour. तो आप उससे अपने घंटे को आप एडजस्ट कर सकते हो. Clear? Next number is for the minute. Okay, so you have to do the same for the minute and seconds. You have to double click on the minute and seconds. Then click the arrow and increase and decrease the value to adjust the time. Clear, students? So in this way you can set the date and the time, okay, of your computer. Okay. Seventh and the last step. When you will finish changing the time and date settings, click OK. This will take you back to the date and time dialog box. Again click OK. Notice the change in date and time on the taskbar. Okay. So after doing all the settings, all the changing of time and date, what do you have to do? You have to click OK, which is given at the bottom of the setting dialog box. You can see in the picture. Okay. So after clicking OK, you will get back to the time dialog box again. Then you can see the change in date and time on the taskbar. Applying of theme in Windows. Now we will learn how to apply a theme in Windows. A window theme is a set of background pictures, window colors, and sounds. When you choose a particular theme of your computer, it may change all these features accordingly. Okay. So students, you can change the theme of your window, okay, according to your choice. Okay. In your computer, you have different types or different themes, okay, that you can apply to your computer. Okay. And it includes the changing of the background picture, it includes the window colors and the sound. Okay. So how to apply it? To apply theme to your computer, follow the given steps. First, open the personalization window. Okay. We have already studied how to open the personalization window. You have to right click on the desktop and you have to click the personalize setting option. Then you will get this personalization window. Okay. Second, under the arrow themes, click Windows 7 or any other theme. The chosen theme will be applied to your computer. You can see in the picture, first one, you can see the Windows 7 is highlighted, means that theme is selected. Okay. So under the arrow theme, various themes are there. You can select any of it according to your choice, and that theme will be applied to your computer. Our next topic is adjusting the sound. While listening to music or watching a video on computer, you may need to increase or decrease the volume level of the speaker. To adjust the volume of the speaker, follow the given steps. Okay, so students, while watching the video or music or listening to music in your computer, you can increase and decrease the volume level. Okay, so how you can do it? Okay, let's see with the steps. First, click the speakers button in the notification area of the taskbar. Okay, so speaker button is located where? Yes, it is located in the notification area of the taskbar. Okay, you have to click that button from the notification area. In the pop-up window, move the slider up and down to increase or decrease the speaker volume. Okay, when you will click that speaker button from the taskbar, you will get a pop-up window, okay, in which you can see a slider given. Okay, with the help of that slider, you can adjust the sound by sliding it up or sliding it down. Okay, so that you can increase or decrease the volume with that slider. Clear? Next, click Mixer if you want to separately control the volume of the computer speaker and other sound devices or programs. The volume mixer allows you to control the volumes of different devices separately. So students, with the help of this mixer, you can control the volume of the computer speaker and other devices separately. Okay, so to your computer, various programs and various devices are connected or different programs are run. Okay, so with the help of this mixer, you can adjust the different sound level of different programs or devices. Okay, when you will click this mixer button, you will get another dialog box or a setting box, okay, where you can see different programs and devices settings. Okay, with the help of that, you can adjust the sound of different program and different devices. Clear? Next, to mute the volume, click the mute speakers button. Okay, so students, to mute the speakers, okay, to cancel the volume, to mute the volume, you have to click the mute speakers button, okay, which is given in the picture below. How to do it? Okay, just you have to click the speaker button, then automatically that speakers will get mute. Okay. So students, for today we are ending our class here. I will continue our class in the next week. okay, with the different topics. So thank you for today and have a nice day.